getting ready to ride on Christmas Day. So, I'll see you on the road. Merry Christmas. My beautiful daughter Marissa and Omar. Morning, brother.
Good morning.
The day after Christmas.
Day after Christmas.
And where are we going?
I think, what's it called? Tailwind?
Sunshine and
Cafe Tailwind.
Sunshine and Tailwind.
Something like that.
Another name we're never gonna get right.
Yeah. Here we go. Pointless destination. We're here at the airport.
That is one hell of a cactus, bro.
I think it's dead, too.
So we're at the Sunshine and Tailwinds Cafe inside the North Las Vegas airport, and we're about to have some excellent breakfast. Russ, looking for a new helmet on the wall of helmets at Cycle Gear. Look at all of these helmets and a ladder.
I mean, that's a...
You guys.
Hold on, are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I thought it was a picture.
Happy New Year to you guys.
Happy New Year to the channel.
What's up, bro?
What's up, Mrs. Miles?
First of all, that fire is awesome in there.
Thank you, bro.
Second of all,
How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? Great. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.